I'm going to talk to you about some more human interactions with the environment. So I'm going to have a look at peat bogs and also deforestation. The growth of the human race has meant that there is less space and fewer resources for other organisms on Earth. Building, dumping waste, farming and quarrying all take up space and deplete resources. Peat is a deposit of partially decayed plant matter which accumulates in bogs. Here, the carbon remains in the plants instead of being released into the atmosphere. The destruction of peat bogs has become more common, resulting in the burning or the decay of peat. This releases the stored carbon into the atmosphere in the form of a greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide. Another negative impact of peat bog destruction is the loss of biodiversity within the habitat. Peat bogs are being destroyed for a few reasons. So one of these is to free up land for farming, which requires the bogs to be drained. This draining process stimulates peat decay. They also want to burn the peat for fuel or to sell it to gardeners as a garden compost. So what do we need to do? We need to decrease the demand for peat. We could do this by giving gardeners peat-free compost, such as manure or bark chippings. Deforestation is the cutting, clearing and removal of forests in order to free up land for biofuels, which are fuels derived from living matter, as well as for cattle and rice fields. There are lots of negative consequences associated with deforestation. Deforestation destroys habitats, which causes biodiversity to be lost. The burning of trees and the decomposition of wood increases the rate of carbon dioxide that is released into the atmosphere. And because less photosynthesis is taking place, less carbon dioxide can be removed from the atmosphere. Deforestation can also cause a loss of services provided by forests. So ecosystem services are the benefits provided by ecosystems to humans, such as the prevention of erosion, flood control, and also food provision. Forests are often chopped down to be replaced by agriculture, with the purpose for growing rice or farming cattle. And these activities produce lots of methane, which is a greenhouse gas, and also contributes to global warming. So that summarises the destruction of peat bogs and deforestation for you, which can both contribute towards global warming and loss of biodiversity.